morning, children. Today I am going to explain you the lesson A Big Surprise. Here, Lalita, a 10-year-old girl, sowed some tomato seeds in the middle of the kitchen garden. The seeds grew into little plants after a few days. She pulled every weed and never allowed an insect or a worm near her pet plants. When the days were hot, she poured water to the plants at night also. She planted flowers all around her plot to make it beautiful. Here the story is about Lalita and Kavita, two sisters are there in the story, and it's a story about the two girls. Okay, the Lalita is a 10-year-old girl. She wanted to sow the tomato seeds in the kitchen garden. After a few days, a little bit tomatoes have grown up. She pulled every weed, means she looked after the plant very well, and she pulled every weed. Weed means the unnecessary plants around the main plant. She removed, and she never allowed any insect in that. And she poured water in plant night also. When summer is there, the plants need more water. She plants 2 times every day. She planted flowers all around her plot to make it beautiful. Means to make the garden beautiful, she made the flowers also, planted beautiful flower plants also. Now the flowers also grew and blossomed, but the tomatoes plants were not so promising except one plant. The plant was a beautiful one. The leaves were green and the tiny green tomatoes began to show. Lalita and her sister Kavita, who is 14, water the plants daily. A very beautiful large tomato grew into the plant. Now here what happened? The flowers also blossomed. Blossomed means the flowers also come. But the tomato plants were not so promising, means the tomato plants are not grown properly. But one plant in between that, leaves were green and tiny green tomatoes began to show. For one plant, very good tomatoes have come, and it is in green color, means it's like small ones. Lalita and his sister Kavita, Lalita is 10 years old and her Kavita sister 14 years old, water the plants, and a large big tomato grew into a plant. Now look at the picture, everybody. Here the tomato is there. It's grown into a big tomato. One day, Lalita brothers said, I am going to take my chickens to the district exhibition. I know they will win the first prize. Lalita at once thought for her large tomato and ran into sisters and said, Kavita, do people take tomatoes to exhibitions? She asked. Here what happened? One day, Lalita and Kavita, having one brother, he told that he'll take his chickens. Chickens means baby hen, to the district exhibition. So he is telling that he'll get the first prize. In the same way, Lalita is also thinking that we can also take that big tomatoes to exhibition. She went to her sister and asked her sister that if we can take the exhibition, we can take the tomatoes to exhibitions. Of course they do. There is always a prize for the best and biggest one grown around here. Why don't you take your big tomato? And sister suggested that yes, why don't we can take our tomato to the exhibition. Oh, good. Lalita jumped and clapped. Why not? Kavita said. Father said it is the finest tomato he has ever seen. We can take it to the exhibition. Don't tell anyone. When judges announce the first prize to Miss Lalita, they will be surprised. Here, again, the father also saying that yes, take to the exhibition because it's very big tomato I have never seen. Definitely you will get the prize, but don't tell to anybody. When you will get a prize, it will be surprise for everyone. Okay, said Lalita, and Lalita agreed for that. Kavita wrote a card that read, Tomato raised by Lalita is 10. When they are taking to the exhibition, Kavita wrote a note on that the tomato is grown up by Lalita, means Lalita did everything to grow the tomato plant. I hope they won't think the tomato is 10 years old, Lalita laughed. Here they wrote a note that the tomato grown by Lalita is 10 years old, but Lalita is laughing and telling that they'll think that the tomato is 10 years old. Now here, we will carry it in a pretty basket, Kavita said. Later, when they went to the garden to pick the tomato, they were shocked. The large beautiful tomato was missing. Oh, someone has stolen my beautiful tomato, cried Lalita. When they are starting to go to exhibition, they went to the garden and they want to take that tomato in a big basket to show to the exhibitors. But what happened? Suddenly they went to the garden, but they were shocked because the tomato was not there. Somebody stolen the beautiful tomato. Now by looking at that, Lalita is crying. Kavita and Lalita were not happy. Lalita was weeping all the way to the exhibition grounds. They saw pets and vegetables in the display. They could not believe their eyes. Among other tomatoes was Lalita's big beauty. Look, Kavita, that's my tomato, she said with joy. Now here what happened? Somebody has stolen the tomato. They both are not happy. Lalita was weeping all the way, means while going to the exhibition, all the way she is crying like anything. And after going to the exhibition, they saw some pets there. Pets means dogs, cats, and like that, and vegetables in the display. So many vegetables also there, and they could not believe it because the big tomato is also there in the exhibition among other vegetables. Now Kavita saw the tomato and telling her sister that, look at that, it is our tomato, with a very happy mood. The girls found places near the parents. The judges began to award prizes. Coming to tomatoes, a judge picked Lalita's tomato and said, "This big beauty wins the first prize. It was raised by Miss Lalita, age 10. Will Miss Lalita step forward?" Now, after going to the exhibition, they found some place near the parents only. The judges began to award prizes. Now, after everything, they saw judges have examined everything and they declared the prizes. Now, coming to the vegetables, they saw the Lalita's tomato and said, "This big beauty won the first prize." Here, the Lalita tomato got the best first prize, and the tag was there, some tag was tied there. What is that? Lalita, age 10, raised by the Lalita. Means after seeing the tag, the judge is asking, "Miss Lalita, step forward. Please come forward to take your praise." There were claps as Lalita received her blue ribbon. She said, "Thank you." Then she came to her father and said, "Father, how did my tomato get here?" Now, with a big surprise, she went to the stage and she took the praise from the judge, and she's telling thank you, and the whole exhibition was found with the claps. Now she came back and asking her father, "How my tomato came to the exhibition?" "Here, I brought it. I wanted to surprise you," he laughed. The judge said, "Can anyone suggest a name for this big tomato?" Lalita spoke up, "The big surprise." Here the father is telling, "I got the tomato to the exhibition for your surprise. I want to surprise you. That's why I take the tomato." Now the judge is asking, somebody can suggest a name to the big tomato. Now judge is asking, "Please suggest some name to this big tomato." Now Lalita spoke up, means Lalita tell that the big surprise. She gave a name that the big surprise. Here all the family members laughed heartily. Now every member in the family and every member there, everybody is laughing with very happily and heartily.